While shopping, Kyla found a dress that she would like to purchase, but it costs $52.25 more than she has. Kyla charges $5.50 an hour for babysitting. She wants to figure out how many hours she must babysit to earn that $52.25 to buy the dress. Use a double number line to support your answer. So I've started mine here. I have money on the top and hours on the bottom. So if she babysits for 0 hours, she's going to earn $0. If she babysits for 10 hours, she's going to get $55. So she won't need to babysit for any more than 10. But let's see if we can figure out how much exactly she would need. At about 5 hours, 5.5 times 5 would give us $27.50. So it's going to have to be more than that. Maybe, let's do 6. If we add an extra $5.50, we'll have 6, 7, 8, 9. If we add an extra $5.50, that gives us $33. And then an extra $5.50 in addition to that would be $38.50. And then if we add another $5.50, that would be $44. And then we would have $49.50 at 9 hours. So it's somewhere in between 9 and 10. Half of $5.50 is $2.75. So let's see. $49.50 plus $2.75. Not 0, that's a 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 9 and 1 make 10. Plus that extra 2. Makes 12. And then 4 plus 1 makes 5. So $52.25. So use the double number line to support our answer. It's going to take her 9.5 hours. Okay, number 2. Frank has been driving at a constant speed for 3 hours, during which time he traveled 195 miles. Frank would like to know how long it will take him to complete the remaining 455 miles, assuming he maintains the same constant speed. Help Frank determine how long the remainder of the trip will take. Include a double number line to support your answer. All right, so at 0 hours, he would have traveled 0 miles. At 3 hours, he would have 195. So let's see how much he goes each hour. 195 split into 3 parts. 3 fits into 19 6 times. With 15, got to bring down that 1, or that 5. 3 fits into 15 5 times. So each time would be 65. Then the next one would be 130. So 4, we're going to add an extra 65 to that. 5 and 5 make a 0. So that would be 260. 5. We add 65 to that. It's going to end in a 5. 6. We got to add another 65. It'll end in a 0. And then adding another 65 to that. 0 and 5 make 5. 9 and 6 make 15. 1 and 4, or 1 and 3 make 4. 4:55. So it's going to be at hour 7 of his journey. But it says, help Frank determine how long the remainder of the trip will take. He has already traveled for 3 hours. So how long will the remainder of his journey take? 4 hours for the rest of his journey. Actually, no, because it says the remaining 455 miles. That's not his total distance. That's how much he has left to travel. So it will actually be 7 hours for the rest of his journey. Even I make mistakes. You got to read the question carefully. 7 hours for the rest of his journey because he still has 455 miles to go. That's not his total distance traveled.